In the shadows of the digital age, a silent giant secretly watches, its eyes never blinking, its memory unfailing. Imagine every keystroke you make, every page you browse, every digital footprint you leave behind being meticulously tracked, analyzed and stored. This is not in some distant dystopian future, but here, now, in our everyday lives. This giant, big tech. Companies whose names we whisper as if they were deities, entities that have redefined privacy in the digital age. Picture yourself standing in an endless hall of mirrors, each reflection a fragment of your digital self, a text message, a search query, a shared photo, all pieces of a puzzle you didn't even know you were building. But who is putting this puzzle together, and for what purpose? In this video, we venture into the heart of the digital behemoth, peeling back layers of code to unveil the secrets of data mining. With each step, we'll uncover the intricate web of information that big tech knows about you, your preferences, your habits, even your most private thoughts. Welcome to the Cause Effect channel. Prepare to embark on a journey of discovery and introspection. As we dive deep into the world of algorithms and analytics, ask yourself, in this age of information, where does the line between convenience and surveillance lie? Are we trading bits of our souls for bytes of convenience? Join us as we pull back the veil on this invisible operation, exploring the depths of data collection, its implications, and how the giants of technology wield this knowledge in ways you've never imagined. This is the invisible reality of our digital lives. Each action, each decision we take online leaves behind a trail of data that is continuously being collected, analyzed, and stored. This is not merely a matter of social media likes or search engine queries. It's about every online interaction, every digital transaction, every app you've ever downloaded. Now you may wonder, why should I care? The answer lies in the power these data trails hold. They are the fuel that drives the engines of big tech companies, shaping the digital world around us. From the ads that pop up on our screens to the products we're suggested to buy, it's all meticulously curated based on our online behavior. So what exactly is this data mining and how does it work? Let's delve into the secrets behind big tech's data mining practices. Data mining, a term that sounds as if it belongs in a sci-fi movie, is a daily reality for big tech companies. But what exactly is data mining? Picture a colossal mountain of raw data. Data mining is the process of extracting valuable nuggets of information from this mountain. It's like panning for gold, but instead of sifting through soil and gravel, we're sifting through vast amounts of data to uncover meaningful patterns and insights. Big tech companies are the seasoned prospectors in this digital gold rush. They utilize sophisticated algorithms and machine learning techniques to delve into the depths of this data mountain. These algorithms are capable of recognizing patterns that would be impossible for a human to discern. They can identify correlations, trends, and anomalies within the data, transforming it from a seemingly chaotic jumble into a wellspring of valuable insights. So, what types of data are being mined? The answer is almost anything you can think of. Every time we click, like, share, or even hover our mouse over a piece of content, we're generating data. Our online searches, social media activities, online purchases, and even our geographic locations all become part of this data mountain. These bits of information, innocuous in isolation, can paint a surprisingly detailed picture when pieced together. The technologies involved in this process are as fascinating as they are complex. Machine learning, a branch of artificial intelligence, plays a pivotal role. It allows systems to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Then we have neural networks, computing systems modeled after the human brain, which excel at recognizing patterns and making predictions. Together, these technologies form the backbone of the data mining process. But all this isn't done in a vacuum. As these technologies sift, sort, and analyze our data, they shape the digital world we interact with. They influence the ads we see, the recommendations we receive, even the news stories that populate our feeds. This is the power and the promise of data mining. It's a tool that enables big tech companies to understand us better than we might understand ourselves. With such extensive data collection, one might wonder, just how much do these companies know about us? Our online presence, our digital selves, are more revealing than we might think. We leave a digital footprint with every click, like, share, or search. This footprint, invisible yet indelible, paints a vivid portrait of who we are, what we do, where we go, and even what we think. It's akin to leaving a trail of breadcrumbs in the vast digital forest. Breadcrumbs that big tech companies eagerly scoop up. But what precisely do they collect? The list is exhaustive. It ranges from the seemingly innocuous, like our search histories or the time we spend on an app, to the more personal, such as our location history, contacts, emails, and even our photos. This data is both willingly shared and silently collected. When we sign up for a new app, we often grant permissions without a second thought. Yet, even when we aren't actively sharing, data is quietly gathered in the background. Consider your smartphone your constant companion. It knows your daily routines, your favorite haunts, the people you call or message most frequently. It's privy to your late-night online shopping sprees, your binge-watching habits, and even your early morning fitness routines. It's a treasure trove of data that's continually mined. Social media platforms are no different. They're like digital canvases where we paint our lives. Each post, comment or like is a stroke that contributes to the overall picture. These platforms know our political leanings, our hobbies, our social circles, and our sentiments towards various topics. And then there's the Internet of Things, a network of interconnected devices that's growing exponentially. From smart speakers to fitness trackers, these devices collect an array of data, often in real time, adding more layers to our digital profiles. It's a staggering amount of data, isn't it? And all of it is used to create hyper-personalized experiences, targeted advertising, and even predictive models to anticipate our future actions. But with all this data floating around, what does this mean for our privacy? In a world where information equals power, privacy becomes a precious commodity. Picture this. You're casually browsing the internet, clicking on this and that. Little do you know, each click, each pause, each scroll is being meticulously recorded, analyzed, and stored. Unbeknownst to many, our digital footprints are leaving trails of breadcrumbs for big tech companies to follow. This, my friends, is the reality of data mining. Our every digital action is a tiny speck of data, seemingly insignificant on its own. But when these specks are gathered and analyzed, they form a detailed profile of our online behaviors, interests, and preferences. From the websites we visit to the products we shop for, our online lives are no longer private. But what are the implications of this? Is there cause for concern? Well, let's delve a little deeper. Imagine a scenario where your health insurance provider has access to your online search history. You've been Googling symptoms of a potential health issue, and suddenly your premiums are sky high. Or consider a situation where a prospective employer checks your social media activity and your political views become a deciding factor in your employment. These scenarios may seem far-fetched, but they're not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Data mining has been used in controversial ways before. For instance, the Cambridge Analytica scandal in 2018 exposed how personal data was harvested from millions of Facebook profiles without consent and used for political advertising. And it's not just about privacy invasion. The lack of transparency and control over how our data is used is a significant issue. We often don't know who has access to our information, how it's being used, or how long it's being stored. In essence, our digital lives are like an open book to these tech behemoths. Every chapter, every page, every line is a piece of the puzzle that forms a comprehensive picture of who we are, what we do, and what we like. So, how do these tech giants benefit from this wealth of information? Data, the new oil, fuels the engines of big tech companies. This isn't just a clever metaphor. Today, data is a precious commodity that corporations use to power their business models. The more data they collect, the better they can understand their customers, predict trends, and drive innovation. One significant benefit of data mining for big tech is targeted advertising. By understanding your preferences, habits, and even your daily routines, companies can provide personalized advertisements that are more likely to catch your interest and prompt a purchase. Data also influences product development. Insights gained from data analysis can reveal what features are popular, what's lacking, and what new innovations might resonate with consumers. It's like having a crystal ball that predicts the market's future desires. Moreover, data helps in decision-making, optimizing operations, and even in identifying potential market expansion opportunities. But what can we do to protect our privacy in this data-driven world? Navigating the digital world doesn't have to mean surrendering our privacy. Indeed, there are actions we can take, steps we can tread to shield our digital selves. First and foremost, be fully aware of the privacy settings on your devices and applications. These settings are your first line of defense, your digital drawbridge, if you will. Next, try to understand the terms of service before agreeing to them. Yes, they are often lengthy and filled with jargon, but they're also the rules of the game you're about to play. Furthermore, consider using privacy-focused tools and services. There's a growing market of applications designed to respect your privacy and limit data collection. These tools act as your digital armor, your shield against the intrusive gaze of data miners. In the end, the key to protecting your privacy is awareness and action. Remember, your digital footprint is your own. Guard it wisely. In this digital age, knowledge truly is power. We've explored the ins and outs of data mining, its scope, and the implications for our privacy. We've also learned how big tech companies turn our data into profit, and most importantly, how we can protect our digital selves. Let's not forget, every piece of information we share, every site we visit, and every app we use contributes to our digital footprint. Big tech is always watching, always learning, but we too can learn. We can learn to be more discerning, more protective of our personal data. We've unveiled the secrets behind big tech's data mining practices, but the real power lies in awareness. It's in understanding the digital landscape, in recognizing the value of our data, and in taking deliberate steps to protect it. So next time you go online, remember, every click matters. Stay aware, stay safe. Your journey to digital awareness doesn't end here. In fact, it's just the beginning. We're all part of a global digital community, and we have a responsibility to help each other navigate this complex landscape. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to take action. Give us a thumbs up. Share this video with friends, family, and loved ones. By doing so, you're not just supporting our channel, you're helping to foster a more informed and savvy digital community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one. We're committed to providing you with the knowledge you need to protect your digital self. And remember, every piece of information you share, every site you visit, and every app you use contributes to your digital footprint. So, stay aware, stay safe, and stay connected with us. Also, we encourage you to check out our other videos. We are covering a range of topics from health and well-being to economy, including latest trends in digital innovation. We believe in the power of knowledge, and we're here to help you stay informed. So join us in this journey towards digital enlightenment. Remember, every click matters.